6 race pacers in behind the starting gate. Here they come. They're off. It's Keystone Throng going right for the lead. There goes Impressive Bird. Unravel is there. Now they bank into that first turn. An Impressive Bird opens up 3 lengths. Unravel. He is second, 2 lengths. Keystone Throng now drops in third, 3 lengths. Strong Don followed in that turn. Monsieur Mendale. It's 2 lengths back to Bob's Escort. Happy Colors trails the field. Driving for the quarter. Impressive Bird leads the way a length and a quarter. Unravel second there by the quarter in a swift 27 and 4. Positions on change approaching the half-mile juncture. Impressive Bird leads 2 lengths. It's Unravel second, a length and a quarter. Keystone Throng right there in third. First over Strong Don, followed now by Monsieur Mendale, followed by Bob's Escort. Happy Colors trailing, heading for the half-mile juncture. Your leader is Impressive Bird. Strong Don is on the attack on the outside. Another halfway home. 58 and 1 into the clubhouse turn. Impressive Bird a neck. Strong Don is on the outside trying to come on second. It's Unravel in third. Followed on the outside Keystone Throng. Monsieur Mendale that is. Then comes Keystone Throng. Out of the turn, now they curve into the box stretch. An Impressive Bird has a neck in front. Strong Don is moving at him on the outside, a challenging second. These two just noses apart. 3/4 on the board. 127 and 3. Strong Don is on the outside now to take command. Impressive Bird is fighting to come back second, followed by Monsieur Mendale and Unravel. Moving to the top of the stretch. Strong Don on the outside with the lead. Here they come, turning for home. And Strong Don is on the outside with the lead. Impressive Bird is fighting to come back, followed by Monsieur Mendale. Strong Don, Impressive Bird is coming back. Impressive Bird and Strong Don, those two at the wire. That is a